Why does your scanner show the P0909 engine code? What does it mean? P0909 is a diagnostic trouble code for gate select control error. The P0909 code indicates a gate select control error. It triggers when your vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, or transmission control module, TCM, detects an error or malfunction within the gear shifting mechanism. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Mechanical problems, wiring issues, module malfunction, faulty actuator, sensor failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Honda, Suzuki, Toyota, and Renault. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.